Here I've got Nokia X71 and let me show you how to activate Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and select the settings, then you have to go to the sound and pick Do Not Disturb. Now, smoothly by tapping on Turn On Now, you can activate this mode, and then you can switch all silent mode the same way smoothly by tapping on Turn Off Now. You can also specify the behavior, so let me click on Sound and Vibration. So here you can personalize which sounds will be allowed. It can be media sounds, alarms, touch sounds. I will leave alarms only. Let's go back then, the notifications. Let me pick no sound. Obviously you can personalize your own way. Then you can add some exceptions, so you can allow calls from anyone, contacts only, start contacts only, or none, and I will pick none of them. Then you can also allow messages. I will allow messages from start contacts only. And finally, you can pick the duration of DND mode once you activate it, so it can be either until you turn off for some particular time, or it can ask you every time, but I will stay with the first option. And then you can also set some automatic rule, so you can add some rule by tapping on Add Rule, then pick if it's event or time. Let me enter hard reset, click on Add, and now specify the details. So at first you have to select the days. I will pick Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, and the start hour will be 8 p.m. and the end would be 4 a.m. next day. So from now on every Tuesday, Friday, Saturday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday between 8 p.m. and 4 a.m. next day, your DND mode will be active. You can also activate Alarm Can Override and Time feature smoothly by tapping on the switcher. Then if you'd like to switch off this rule, just tap on this icon. And that would be all. This is how you can activate, personalize and specify all the details in your DND mode. You can also activate it quickly through the upper bar, so it will take less than 10 seconds. Just slide down the upper bar and click on Do Not Disturb. And this is it. Now it's active. Then you can switch it off the same way smoothly by tapping on the icon. So that would be all. This is how you can use Do Not Disturb mode on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.